सुरू झालं आहे.
Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed about the syllabus of business economics. This is a CBSE pattern. In this subject, first chapter, Introduction to Business Economics. In this chapter, we have learned meaning, definition, characteristics, and significance of business economics, objective of business economics, firm characteristics of macro and microeconomics. This is totally new chapter for you because other chapters you have studied in 12th standard, but this chapter is new for you. Second chapter, demand analysis. Concept in this chapter, concept of demand, law of demand, elasticity of demand, determinants of elasticity of demand, methods of measurement of elasticity of demand, importance of elasticity of demand. In third chapter, theory of consumer behavior. In this chapter, we have to need to learn utility analysis. In utility analysis, law of diminishing marginal utility, law of equimarginal utility, indifference curve analysis, and properties of indifference curve. And fourth chapter on theory of production. In theory of production, we have to need to learn concept of production, function, concept of production function, law of variable proportions, law of return to scale, ISO quant curve, technique, properties of ISO quant curve. Fifth chapter, theory of cost. In this chapter, we have to need to discuss various cost concept, difference cost concept. In this, short run cost curve, fixed cost, variable cost, total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost, long run cost curve, average cost and marginal cost. For this subject, reference book is most important. First reference book, Ahuja H.E. Business Economics. This publication of S. Chand and Company, New Delhi. Second, D.M. Mithani and G.K. Murthy, Fundamentals of Business Economics, Himalay Publishing House, New Delhi. Third reference book, G.N. Zhamre, Business Economics, Pimpalpure Publication, Nagpur. Fourth, Fiji Mankar, Business Economics, Himalay Publishing House, Bombay, Delhi and Nagpur. Thank you, friends. Stay home, stay safe. This is myself, Dr. P.S. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Baherji Smarak Mahavidyalay, Basmat. You have any problem, my email ID is spjadhav1981@gmail.com and my mobile number is 86050197441.